Most MCP clients make you dig through nested JSON responses just to get a simple number back. You'll see how FastMCP 2 automatically unwraps primitive results so you get clean values directly. No manual dictionary access required. The example calls a basic calculator tool, but the pattern works for any server that returns integers, strings, or booleans.
Async with client. Result equals await client. Call tool calculate sum of 5b 3. Hash FastMCP client automatically unwraps for convenience. Print result data hash 8 int, the original value. Hash raw structured content shows the server-side wrapping. Print result structured content hash result 8. Hash other MCP clients would need to manually access result. Hash value equals result structured content result. Hash not needed with FastMCP.
This demonstrates the automatic type unwrapping pattern for RPC results, a key feature of modern API clients that bridges the gap between structured protocols and native language types. The pattern handles the tedious conversion between protocol-level data structures and the primitive types developers actually want to work with, eliminating manual extraction boilerplate. What makes this distinctive is how it maintains protocol compatibility while offering ergonomic convenience through client-side intelligence. The approach works by establishing a convention where primitive results are wrapped in a standardized structure during transmission, then automatically unwrapped by the client based on type information. This creates a clean separation between the protocol's requirements for structured data and the developer's need for direct value access. The client acts as an intelligent intermediary, preserving raw protocol access when needed while defaulting to the most convenient representation. This matters because it dramatically reduces cognitive overhead when working with RPC systems. Developers avoid repetitive dictionary access patterns and manual type conversions, focusing instead on business logic. The pattern is particularly valuable in polyglot systems where different language clients might need varying levels of abstraction, or when migrating legacy systems that mix primitive and complex return types. The trade-off is minimal. You gain convenience while retaining full access to the underlying protocol when edge cases demand it. Let's break it down line by line.
Async with client.
Context Manager pattern for async client connections. The async with block guarantees proper connection cleanup when exiting, preventing resource leaks. FastMCP uses this to manage the client lifecycle automatically.
Result equals await client. Call tool calculate sum of 5b 3.
This invokes the calculate sum tool remotely via the FastMCP client. The await handles the async RPC call, passing arguments as a dictionary that maps to the tool's schema. This is the standard pattern for executing registered tools across the MCP network.
Hash FastMCP client automatically unwraps for convenience. Print result data hash 8 int, the original value.
FastMCP's automatic unwrapping eliminates manual result extraction. The data property directly exposes the raw value, here the integer 8, while other MCP clients require accessing nested dictionary keys. This convenience pattern maintains clean code while preserving access to the full structured response via structured content.
Hash raw structured content shows the server-side wrapping. Print result structured content hash result 8.
This exposes the raw server response structure, showing how the result is actually wrapped in a dictionary. FastMCP automatically unwraps this for convenience, but the structured content attribute reveals the underlying protocol format that all MCP clients must handle.
Hash other MCP clients would need to manually access result. Hash value equals result. Structured content, result. Hash not needed with FastMCP.
This commented line highlights FastMCP's automatic unwrapping feature. Most MCP clients return raw structured data requiring manual key access, but FastMCP eliminates this boilerplate by exposing the direct value through the data property. The pattern reduces repetitive dictionary access while maintaining access to the full response when needed. FastMCP client convenience. The automatic unwrapping of primitive results through result data simplifies client code while preserving the full structured response in result structured content for interoperability. Other MCP clients require manual access to the result key, but FastMCP handles this transparently for you. Always check both data and structured content when debugging cross-client compatibility issues.
The client that sees everything needs to know nothing.